Absolutely. So we're here today with Addie, who is doing some weekly recovery from a crazy regime of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Japanese Jiu-Jitsu, weightlifting, and I know I'm missing something, and dance and kickboxing. There we go. So, her body takes a lot of stress over the course of the week, and she is often very tight a little bit everywhere, in through the neck, in through shoulders, low back, ankles, everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Just going to check here. I'm going to borrow this, bring you back. So we do have some restriction there. Fold you up here, and much better movement. Never the amount of noise that's on camera, but and that's kind of clicky.
It's clicky, yeah.
Same idea. And good. Much less clicky, much better movement. And then Addie, from here, I'm going to jump into doing your neck. So I'm going to get you on your back for me. I'm just going to take this.
Should my hair's not
There.
really. There you go.
Right. So I'm going to start over on your right side here.
Crunchy.
Very crunchy.
That was really
You
good.
needed that.
That was really good.
Yeah, well, a little bit to do in through your neck here. Pressure okay like that?
Oh yeah. I felt that all on my right shoulder.
Okay, it's coming down, is
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Into the arm at all too, or just to the shoulder?
Just right shoulder. Yeah.
Okay. Switch you here, just gonna switch you here too. And this feels a little nicer, less down into the shoulder this time?
Yeah. A lot of stretches for this position.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's been bugging you a bit more?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. From here, I'll just go with dibs on hips. I'm gonna get you with your left knee bent up for me. And then foot's gonna go flat, perfect right on the table. But you give yourself a great big hug here, right arm's gonna go on top. Just roll it with me. There we are. And a nice deep breath in. And out. Nice. And one more. And did not take much work there.
Oh, that was good.
Perfect. All right. And I'm going to raise you back up here. I'm going to check through your feet while I've got you here. There are. And so we'll just board your legs here. If I check you out, you are moving a little bit better through that left ankle than the right. So we're going to open your right ankle up here. Good. Everything else seems to be moving well. That didn't take much.
Oh,
Good.
wow. Left ankle was very clicky.
So I'm going to loosen up plantar fascia, basically the sole of the foot on both sides. Yeah, I did a little mini course on basically like using the adjustment as an ad and like running it as a TikTok and a YouTube and whatever, and the guy who did it was using like 3 cameras at all times.
Yeah.
So he says
Yeah.
he's got one like coming from behind you on the left, behind you on the right, and then below you on the left.
Yeah, yeah.
And he says it's just like it's super easy because that way you don't need to move the cameras at all
Move the
or anything like
camera,
that.
And I like that you can have the digital DSLR and then phone instead of having like 2 professional cameras.
Absolutely.
You can just use your phone.
Yeah, well, I think he said he was running 3 iPhones, quite honestly.
Oh, iPhones, yeah, exactly. Wow, there you go.
And he was doing a mix of, I think, like 2 horizontal and a vertical, so you got all the
Smart,
YouTube
okay.
stuff, but then you also got your Instagram and TikTok.
Instagram and TikTok, yeah.
Good. Here, I'm just going to change the percussor up a bit. I'm going to check in through your hip flexors,
Mm-hmm.
which actually, hip flexors are feeling really good right now. Stretching's been doing you a lot of good.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you hold that up for me? Yep. And then try and kick me in the face here. That one's a little off. If I hold you there, can you try that again? Kick. Good. And then once more without and kick. Yep. So different there for sure. We're going to work through some of the tendons.
My left knee has been bugging me though.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Well, we'll check into that a little more then. What's been going on with it? Just
Just
not as happy as we wanted to?
Well, yesterday I went to training, right? And then
Yep.
it's just
Kick from here.
yeah, it's like I've never had that kind of
Good. Okay.
yeah, like I guess
Absolutely. Just gonna make sure we can see your knees. And so we're just gonna check a lot of different things. Checking through the joint. Knee itself is moving well. Can you just kick straight up into me here? And try that again? Not very well. Alright, if I check your SI joint, that doesn't make a difference. Same thing over here. That doesn't make a difference. If I check your tendon, and same, no. Can I get you to bring your hand, it's gonna go just under your rib cage right there, and then kick. And that doesn't make a difference. Check in through your spine. If we open you up here, also doesn't make a difference. This one's gonna feel a touch weird. Can you go just kind of behind your ear?
like this.
Yeah, give or take. And then kick. And that makes a difference. And then take your hand away there and kick. Okay, so intervention here is kind of funky,
Yeah.
but basically, and I don't understand fully the mechanisms behind this, but it's basically an old osteopathic reflex where you're finding a pulse in through the head, and it apparently correlates with blood flow to different areas of the body. There's a guy, oh God, what was his name? Chapman's Lymph. Bennett, I want to say, and basically he sat down and like spent a large chunk of his career mapping out all these different points in most of the head
wow.
that corresponded to blood flow with different areas of the body. So we're manipulating that somehow. Like I said, I don't fully understand how it works. But it's super low risk because I'm basically just gently giving you pressure in through your head, and it is high enough reward if it makes your knee work again and your quad work again. There we go. And with that, I'm gonna get you to kick for me here again. And that feels much happier. Yeah. We'll bend you up here. I'm gonna get you to try and kick me in the face here. That's quite good. I'm gonna try and pull your knee down. Can you hold that up? Good. Bring you up to the side. Can you hold that there? That's quite good too. And then, just to make sure, can you squeeze your feet together in here? Good. And then push away. Good. We'll get you to bend both knees up so your feet are flat on the table. And squeeze them together here. Good. And then push apart. Good. And then I'm gonna turn you face down when you're ready for me.
This one?
Sorry, like right face down.
Oh, right face down. Right.
So left SI joint is moving less well than the right, just to feel through it. If I bend both your knees up, right knee bends way better than the left. And can I get you to curl up like a hamstring curl in me here? Good. Same thing on the left, curl. Less great. And then if we sort your pelvis out, try and hold that there. That's much happier. Also want to see if I try and turn your toes out. Can you hold that in for me? So that's pretty challenging. If I hold you in there, can you try that again? Hold your toes in. That doesn't do much better. Let's see, this is also going to be associated with the gallbladder. I'm just going to come under your ribs right about there. Hold that in for me. That's way better. And then if I take that away once more, that's way worse. You're going to have to give me a second here because there's an acupuncture point that I can never remember where it is that goes with this. Doing okay there?
Yep.
Perfect. Okay. This is one of those times I'm going to look a little bit crazy. I'm going to do some acupressure with you. I'm basically going to just probe right in here at the joint of the baby toe.
Oh.
Uncomfortable?
Kinda, yeah.
Sorry. And then hold the foot in again for me here. I'm going to try and turn you out. And that is way, way happier. Good. And then we have some adjusting in through your hips to do. So, from here, let's see. I'm going to get you turned so you're facing towards the windows here, Eddie.
Yeah.
Again, we'll just move quickly.
Oops.
Cleaner shot.
Spider. Like, dude.
This way. Good enough. Drop it down a little here. Top leg start to bend. Sort of slow right down. And I'll hook you here. Nice. And then I'll get you turned facing the other way.
That was good.
Good. That's what I want to hear. So, same idea here. We'll just get you straightened out. And then I'll get you back face down for me.
It was very quiet, that one.
I think we probably got enough noise out of it. We'll get something, but I'll doctor it if need be. So, with all that, if I bend both your knees up here, much smoother through that left side. And can you curl up for me here? Much happier there too. Good. Last couple things, if I bend both knees out, you're moving pretty well. Can you squeeze your feet together here? I'm going to just try and pull you apart. Good. Piriformis is working. And actually there's a little bit more right there. So for this one I'm just going to borrow your head here. Bring it over to the side. Okay. Not much noise to it, but that is moving better. Let's get you on up with me.
All done?
I think so. I'll let you go all that out. How's that feeling?
Good.